mo ng sama ng loob ang dibdib mo. Kaya ako, nung umalis sa St. Mary's, tatanungin nila, masama ba ang loob ko sa St. Mary's? Hindi. Masaya ang kalooban ko sa St. Mary's sapagkat at least wala na ako sa kanila. At natutuwa naman ako, masaya na rin sila, wala ako. Di ba? Never ever harbor ill feelings in your hearts because a true Marian, a true member of Batch 93 believes na merong forgiveness at kakambal ng forgiveness na yon yung pagkalimot sa mga masasakit na nagdaan sa ating buhay. And this is one good reason why we should always generate things from our hearts. Alam nyo, Batch 93, there is one lesson that we have to learn from this occasion. Kanina, ang lakas-lakas ng ulan. Dun sa idiomatic expressions natin, it was raining cats and dogs. Diba? Yan yung project ko sa inyo. It was raining cats and dogs this afternoon. Ngayon, I tell you this, Batch 93. If there is one lesson you have to learn from your occasion tonight, this is it. You started with nothing, putting everything together, gathering all these people together. You know how it happened? Because it came from the heart of one Claudette and the other organizers. So you see, when a thing comes from your heart, it is generated from your heart, it is drawn out of your genuine and pure intention, then everything will become synonymous with spontaneity, continuity, and beauty. Once again, this is now your batchmate, Henry Cordero. Congratulations, Batch 93, I love you all.
Sir, excuse me po. Madali lang daw po.
Sir, can you, well, we're going to proceed now with the toast, with our batch toast. So, we have the honor of you reading the toast.
Hanggang ngayon, naghihirap pa rin tayo.
Ngayon, wala pa.
Hindi pa siya
The victory of our firecrackers join us in welcoming another year that will come our way, hoping that we'll still be able to have a reunion like the one that we're having right now. I, your former pedagogue, Henry Cordero, on behalf of the other teachers and of course our dearly beloved former principal, Mrs. Euphronia Dazo Bordador, wish you all the best in everything you do. May you accomplish things that you've got in your mind, and may you be able to be our co-workers in building the kingdom of God on earth. Thank you very much, Batch 93, and congratulations to all of us. I now have the honor to propose a toast for all of you.
Okay, yung bang naka-drop na lahat ng mga entries nyo? Yung mga kailangang i-drop dito, apat pa to. O ano, naniwala na kayo? Mahirap makasama si Mr. Colomer. Bakit? Manginginig kayo sa takot. Pero,
because of another appointment in Manila. But he extends his greetings to everybody. Tapos, Mr. James Craig from Atlanta, Georgia, was a former matchmate din natin siya, but hindi siya graduate sa batch natin. But anyway, he also donated a part of his earnings to us. And also, Melba, the efforts of Melba, Reggie, Jetta, and all the others, sila Eva, sila Christina, sila Jepay, si Chodoro Villacarlos Jr., who made our backdrop, very beautiful backdrop, and our welcome streamer outside.
yung sana next year nandiyan na yung mukha ko.
Si...
Next year na. Wala.
Oh, ayan. Sila rin nandiyan. Tapos, of course, si Lori Bell for our pretty, cute, and cute cake. Ayan. Happy birthday daw to us. Happy 30th birthday. And of course, our teachers for coming over. Thank you. Sino ba nakalimutan ko? Our sound system. Our band. Our venue for Mrs. Lenore Lustre. Wala siya dito.
Pero teka, may naalala ko. Ha? Alam ko na kung bakit hindi makakalimutan ni Mr. Cordero ang batch natin. Alam niyo yung panahon natin, alam ko yun yung sumasabog yung CR. Natatandaan niyo ba yun, mga batchmate? Yung mga sumasabog yung CR? Alam ko yung batch natin yun eh. Talaga ng building to. Buti na lang, matibay yung building ng St. Mary's. Kaya doon sa mga kapitbahay dyan, sa St. Mary's kayo mag-aaral. Ay, may bayad sa akin ng St. Mary's. Kala nyo, kaya ako nagpo-promote sa St. Mary's. Ha? Hindi, parang sa 2007 na yun eh. Okay. O habang itinatali, hindi yun yung tinatali ng ano. Inaayos po yung ating balot, ha? Okay. Okay. Meron ba tayo, sabi nga nila, akala pambata lang yung parlor games. Pati pala sa mga batang black. Okay. Meron akong pahanap. So, dun sa pahanap natin na yun.
We will try to fill the tickets. By the way, ito kasi siya natin. And 2 movie passes, Robinson's Gallery Cinema. Any movie, anytime. Okay? So, pag-cooperate na kayo para lang dito.
Tumakat sila paluhod dito para mahirapan. Anyway.
May sponsor tayo, no?
May sponsor ba tayo? Ano ba ang mga sponsor natin?
Sponsor natin po.
Napakasosyal ng ating reunion. Meron na tayong sponsored by yung channel. Sa susunod, yung resort ng taga-Bukawi yung susunod na yan. Ewan ko.